Vagus nerve dysfunction, another term that you may or may not have heard, is dysautonomia. Something's not working automatically, something's wrong. So when the vagus nerve is impacted in a negative way, this is associated with that term, dysautonomia. And when there's a problem with the vagus nerve, we might find, here we are, not only might we look like the individuals in this screen pictures, but we might notice that we have gastrointestinal symptoms, possibly including irritable bowel syndrome or irritable bowel disease. We might notice inflammatory conditions. We have, say, oh, you have an inflammatory problem. We might notice some obesity, maybe increased weight gain, depression, anxiety, fatigue, and brain fog. We might be prone to OCD or ADHD or autism. Interesting thoughts. Bradycardia, a slow heart rate. So, all of these things have been associated with challenges of the vagus nerve.